This is that from we have to convert from this to this. Okay, so here you can see everyone that converting bigger units to smaller unit is given because this millimeter is very small, then centimeter is bigger than that, then meter is bigger than that, and the kilometer is the biggest. So when we have to convert from kilometer to meter, so we are multiplying by 1000. I have given the example also just now. Okay, then this is opposite. Like when we convert rupees to paise, paise to rupee, that way. Okay, suppose I'm giving that 700 paise, like 700 paise. So equals to how many rupees?
7 rupees.
Ma'am, 7
7
rupees.
into 7.
So what you did division, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Divide. Everywhere you can see divide, divide, divide is written. You just have to divide. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So when to use 10, 100 and 1000? We already discussed 10, 100 and 1000. That we have already discussed that when is there is centimeter, millimeter, 10. When there is meter, centimeter, 100. And when there is kilometer and meter, 1000 we will use. So again, this also you have to learn. And if you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so I'm giving 1 minute to learn. And after finish learning, just tell me.
Ma'am, I have learned Muskan.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have learned Fat.
I have learned Mahreen.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have learned Sayyida.
Very good. Other students, shall I wait or shall I change now?
Ma'am, change.
Change.
Ma'am,
And other
please
students,
wait a minute.
Change.
okay, I'm waiting. And after I finish, please tell me. Shall I wait now or not?
Not ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
change.
Other
change.
students,
Ma'am,
shall I wait?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
ma'am, change. No. Yes, ma'am.
Someone is saying that wait, so I should wait.
Okay,
And who is saying that wait?
ma'am. Tathir.
Ma'am, I am Malik Tahira.
Okay. So Tahir, after finishing, just tell me. And this PDF I have already sent in the group, so don't take screenshot or don't write. Afterward, you can revise from PDF.
Okay.
Ma'am, change.
Okay. So we will use this only and then we will solve this. This I have already given. First, who wants to say the answer? They can raise the hand. Then Ifat will tell me that who are raising the hand. Ifat, are you there in the group? Kasman, Ifat.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me those who are raising the hand.
Okay, ma'am.
So who are raising the hand?
Ma'am, Mahreen, Muskan, and And Sayada.
Okay. So Mehrin, first you tell me that 1 centimeter equals to how many millimeter?
Ma'am, one
Ma'am,
centimeter equals to 10 millimeter.
Yes.
sign up, ma'am.
Yes.
I can left, please.
One.
Ma'am, my battery is low.
Write the reason
Ma'am,
in my WhatsApp.
ma'am, I can. मैम मैं दूसरी आईडी से ज्वाइन हो रही हूँ दूसरे मोबाइल में मेरे पापा के.
Afterward, watch the video anyways. Huh? So next is Muskan. So Muskan will tell us about this. 6 centimeter equals to how many millimeter?
6 centimeter equal to 60 millimeter.
Because we have to multiply by 10. Here 10 is next one. Then Sayata will tell us about this. 50 millimeter equals to how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 50 millimeter is 5 centimeter.
Yes, very good. Here we have to divide. Because here we have to convert from smaller to bigger. Means millimeter to centimeter. So we have to divide. Now in this, do you have any doubt? Any student?
No, ma'am, no
No,
doubt.
ma'am.
No, ma'am,
No,
no
ma'am.
doubt.
I can't have any doubt.
Only 3 students are there? I said students. Not only these 3. What about others?
Ma'am, I have no doubt.
Ma'am, no, I can't have doubt.
But other you 3 I know. Muskan, Saida and Mehreen.
Ma'am, I don't have doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also not doubt.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
very good.
Ma'am, I have also doubt.
Lubna, no? This was last.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then any other student, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Even answers are also given, so you can match your answer afterward. Every time, do practice from this. You can solve in the fair book also if you are confident that your answer will be right. Or otherwise, first do practice in rough book, then match your answer, and then you can write in the fair book. That way.
Ma'am, this one practice worksheet.
Yes, this practice worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you can see this is centimeter to meter and meter to centimeter. So again, you can raise your hand that 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? If tell me those who are raising the hand.
Ma'am, in my mobile there is no raise hand option.
Oh, but today I don't know. Chat box is not available. Next time
Ma'am,
I will.
in my that is available.
But then type the message. I don't think so. It is sending.
Where the rice stand?
Next time I will try. I will tell to sir that don't off the chat box.
मैम जैनब मैम सब चैट बॉक्स में बातें करते हैं ना इसीलिए बंद कर देते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
और मैम तैयबा रोज मैसेज डालती है. तैयबा 10 टाइम लिख के भी डालती है इसीलिए.
Okay.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में कभी कभी फाइट भी करते हैं.
I will explain her also. Because we need chat box for the turn and everything. So whose name is first? Ifat.
Sayada.
Okay. Say that. Tell me about 1 meter equals to how many centimeter?
1 meter is 10 centimeter.
1 meter equals to 10 centimeter.
Ma'am, can I say?
No,
Ma'am,
no.
can
No,
you say first
100 centimeter. 100 centimeter.
Now next question is this. So whose name is next? Means whose hand is raised? Ifat.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose hand is raised next? Ifat.
Ma'am. She has tell my name.
Okay. So Muskan, you can tell me this that here what we have to divide, multiply.
Ma'am, we have to here divide. Answer will be 3.
Very good. We have to
Thank you.
divide by 100 because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next name. Okay, Mehreen, you can tell me about this second. First be that.
Ma'am, in this we have to divide and answer is 5.
Yes, very good. Then next name.
What, ma'am?
Next after Mehreen.
Ma'am, after Taiba, but it's a bike here.
Taiba, do you want to give Taiba, do you want to give the answer? Okay, you all can say together 2 meter equals to how many centimeter? 1 meter equals to 100. So 2 meter equals to how many?
200 centimeter.
200 centimeters.
200 centimeter.
Equals to 200 centimeter.
So your answer again are given in the PDF only. So at home you can practice and then you can match your answer. And then this is about meter and kilometer. So now say the answer together only that 1 kilometer equals to how many meter?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1000 meter.
1000.
1000 meter.
Yes, 1 kilometer equals to
Ma'am,
1.
answer is 4 kilometers. Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is 4 kilometers.
Here 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter and here 4000 meter is given, so we have to divide by 1000. So we will get 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Then say the answer of this together.
3 kilometer equal to 3,000 meters.
3000.
Equals to 3,000 centimeters.
Yes. Then for this one,
9,000. 9,000 meters.
9,000.
10,000 meters.
10,000 meter equal to 10 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
then this is the last one. So you can see that 8 millimeter is written. 8 millimeter. So if I am drawing a scale and then if I am showing you like 38 millimeter. So from 0 if we are counting, if you remember that worksheet,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
like only in millimeter you have to write the answer. So we have to count from 0. Very
Okay, ma'am.
this one. That here also it is given that only in millimeter. So we have to count from 0 all the arrows from 0 till the end. So 88 were there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm saying that tell me in centimeter and millimeter both. First tell me in centimeter means that number and that millimeter that after that
8
number how many?
centimeter. 8
Huh?
millimeter.
Yes.
8 centimeter, 8 millimeter.
8
Yes.
centimeter and 8 millimeter.
Yes. Very good.
Thank
Because
you,
you
ma'am.
can see here this is here and here before that 8 is given and this 8 arrow. So 8 centimeter, 8 millimeter. So you have converted now 88 millimeter into 8 centimeter and
Yes, ma'am.
millimeter. So that
8
way
millimeter.
also you have to just convert in that match the following.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm showing that match the following. You can see 38 millimeter. So if you will take your scale first. that it is your scale. If you are starting from 0, year 10, year 20, year 30, then again 8, then only it will be 38 if there is a
Okay, ma'am.
year. So 3 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Okay, that's why this is the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Hmm. Then next is 38 centimeter. Like not your scale has only 15 centimeter. If it is more than that,
380 millimeter.
yes, 380
380 millimeter.
Millimeter.
is when we are multiplying by 10. Then this one is 5 millimeter.
0.5 centimeter.
0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter.
So in your scale from 0 to 1, here is 5 millimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 5 centimeters, so that we have to convert it.
50, about 50
50
millimeter.
millimeter.
50 millimeter.
So these both you have to convert, okay? Centimeter to millimeter by multiplying by 10.
Yes.
Here also from centimeter to
Okay, ma'am.
millimeter. Okay? Now is there any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
So you can see here this one. This is another chapter. Okay, so I'm just showing one video. Then it will be clear more. So this is about minute second means in exercise 12A.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see that they are showing that when sometime we are saying now wait a minute, wait a second. You can see examples are given that I'm coming in a minute, wait a second. That sometime we say all that thing. Hmm. So this one is given that how many second makes a minute. So do you know that how many seconds make a minute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. 60 seconds make
Ma'am,
a
60
minute.
seconds equal
10
to 1
minutes
minute.
make a
60
hour.
And 60 seconds make a
Equals to how many seconds?
Ma'am, I left.
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
60.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And
I
1
left.
hour equals to how many minutes?
60
60
minutes.
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 Yes, 60
Ma'am, I
minutes.
left.
Fun?
Taiba.
Taiba.
Yes.
But do you have any doubt? You don't want to understand this?
मैम मैंने व्हाट्सएप में भेज दिया है तुम्हारा
Okay, okay, okay. So you can see that they are showing the example that how many, sometime we take a minute and second. We can kick a ball in just a second. And second is very small. So that all the thing they are showing. That for playing we need our that examples. Okay?
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
we will convert. So this is very important for us. So you already know that 1 hour means 60 minutes. So suppose if I'm asking that 5 hours, so how many minutes? Wait, I'm writing the question here. Those who know the answer can raise the hand. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour
मैम
means
कैन आई मैरी
okay. Mary knows the answer. Then who else know the answer?
Ma'am Sayyada.
Okay, 3 students know the answer.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आई नो द
Malik
आंसर
Faisal.
Who know the answer?
Faiza.
Name
आई एम फातिमा
Hatem.
Ma'am,
Which
I know the answer, Khadija.
मैम शी इज
Malik
फातिमा
Faisal.
फातिमा
which Fatima?
Dabani Fatima.
Okay.
Dabani Fatima.
Okay. Okay.
मैम मलिक फाइजा.
Okay.
Malikani Khadija.
Okay. So many students know the answer, so you all can say together.
Ma'am, answer is 300.
Answer is
Yes, ma'am.
300.
300 minutes.
300.
300.
300.
Very good. Most of your answers are right, so it is good. So when we are converting from hours to minute, we have to just multiply. Written. So here they are multiplying. That symbol is of multiplication. That 1 hour means 60. So 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 60. So what is 2 multiplied by 60? How much?
120.
120.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 120.
Then 3 hours. So those who know the answer, say your name.
Sayyida.
One,
Ma'am, I married.
two, three students.
मैम मलिक फाइजा.
Four students.
Khadija.
Okay, five students.
Can I tell Sayyida?
Only five students know the answer, means others have doubt.
मैम मलिक फाइजा.
Okay. Faiza, you can say.
Mani Tasir.
Ma'am, can I say Muskan?
No, this
Ma'am, can
Faiza.
I
Can I
marry?
say Fatima?
मैम
Faiza is saying, I say to her.
मैम 360.
3 multiplied by 60.
60.
You can see here that we have multiplied this with 60. Then we are multiplying
Yes.
this with 60. So what will
Yes.
when
Answer
we just have to multiply this 3 and 6. Then we will put 0.
मैम I don't understand Humera.
Wait.
मैम 160.
Can I say
3 6 are how many? 3 6 are?
मैम 1 minute. 18. मैम 18.
18. Then we will put 0. So 180 minutes.
180
Now
minutes.
Humaira, I'm explaining.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Humaira, I'm saying.
Ma'am, can I explain?
Who?
Can I explain, Sayyida?
You can.
Ma'am, I want to explain.
Ma'am, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours, then we multiply by 60, and the answer is 120 minutes. And 3 hours we multiply by 3 multiply 60 is equal to 18, 180
Yes.
minutes.
So Humaira, you listen that in 1 hour means from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock or 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
we talk about 2 hours, the first hour, then another hour. तो इसकी 60 minutes और इसकी भी 60 minutes. तो कितनी होगी total? 60 और 60?
120 minutes.
120. So we can do shortcut, no? That 2 घंटे है. So 2 and 1 घंटे में 60 minutes. So 60. So 2 multiplied by 60. तो वैसे भी हमको 120 मिनट मिल जाएंगे. तो here 2 multiplied by 60. ओके, ये जो है ना वो 2 multiplied by 60 है. 2 multiplied by 60 means 120. 3 hours हो तो 3 multiplied by 60. If it is 5 hours, then 5 multiplied by 60.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is about that hour to minute, and now next is minute to second. So again, 1 minute equals to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So again, if I'm asking, Humaira, you only have to give the answer, okay? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 7 minutes equals to how many seconds? You can multiply and then you can put the zero.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I say the?
Can I, Muskan?
Wait. In that also we were multiplying by
Ma'am, can I, Marin?
that way. So you, Umaira, you just have to multiply 7 with 60. 7 multiplied by 60. So tell me about 7 6. Say everyone 7 6.
7 6 are
42.
42.
42.
42, ma'am, 42.
And then this 0 we will put. 7 minutes of 420 seconds होती है.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Just have to multiply with 60. From minute to second, multiply. From hour to minute, multiply. Okay, you can see they have given example of 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Ma'am,
2 minutes means 120 seconds. 3 minutes means 180 seconds. But that is symbol of multiplication, huh? This. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no doubt.
Ma'am, 7 minutes
No,
is
ma'am, no
equal
doubt.
to extra.
No, ma'am, no
Really?
doubt.
Ma'am, 7
7 minutes
minutes
equal
is
to
equal to 420 seconds.
Yes. These are the problem sums, means story sums. So some story sums are also given. So everyone read together.
Question. Band continuously for 2 hours, and for how many minutes did he
Did he?
continuously?
So this is about reading. Okay, कि वो कितने घंटे रीड कर रहा है?
2 hours.
2 hours. तो उसमें कितनी मिनट बनी 2 घंटे में? 2 घंटा
120 minutes. Ma'am, 120 minutes. 120 minutes.
multiply. Yes. So let you see the answer. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 2 hours means 2 multiplied by 60. 120 minutes. तो उसने 2 घंटे पढ़ाई की मतलब कि 120 मिनट पढ़ाई की. Now I think so it is 10 12. So let's see one more and then we will finish.
Okay, ma'am.
So Ben ने 120 minutes reading किया because 2 hours means 120 minutes. So this kind of problem sums can also be asked. Huh? These are just example. Like in solve the following. The last question is SF. No, solve the following.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That. Okay.
Convert hours to second.
This is already 10:13, and I want to give some instruction also. Uh, and please, if you have any doubt, no, ask me afterwards. Huh?
Okay.
Because only few days are left. Today is Wednesday, and next Monday is maths paper. I think so. The now upcoming Monday. So it will
Yes.
be better if you can ask the doubts. Okay.
Ma'am,